Did you know that the astonishing Morbius star Jared Leto has managed to acquire a massive net worth of $90 million? Jared Leto is known for his popular roles in Hollywood, but you may not know that he is a vegan, animal lover, and has tons of hobbies that we are going to discuss today. So, how does Jared Leto spend his net worth? What are some of his favorite fashion brands? And what unique luxury items does he own? Let's find out all the details. Jared Leto is one of the most dashing male celebrities who looks amazing with makeup. He spends more than $20,000 a year to buy expensive makeup for his unique looks. According to a source, he hasn't come forward with his makeup brand of choice, but knowing him, it's probably expensive. Jared has also hired a personal stylist and makeup artist. Now, let's dig deeper into his millionaire lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about how Morbius star Jared Leto spends his millions. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Jared Leto is an American actor, musician, and businessman. He started his career with television appearances in the early 1990s and has gained recognition for his role as Jordan Catalano on the television series My So-Called Life. Leto has unique taste when it comes to mansions and luxury living, with his most recent purchase being a $5 million historic military compound. Jared also recently sold his Hollywood Hills home for $2 million. According to sources, a couple of years ago, Leto bought himself an 8-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 50,000 square feet military compound in Los Angeles for $5 million. It's known as the Laurel Canyon, and it was built in the 1940s, but was later used in the 60s as a military film studio. Another amazing thing about this mansion is that the compound was almost turned into a stylish rehab facility, in which people would pay over $50,000 a month to overcome their addictions. Well, who knows if it's true or not. Jared Leto also owns a collection of some of the most expensive cars from around the world. He even gets them personalized and seems to prefer a sleek design with large, powerful engines. He owns a Mercedes G-Wagon, a Vador G35 Sport, a Lincoln Navigator, and a GMC Yukon. Jared is an actor, musician, investor, and so much more. But is he a philanthropist as well? Well, don't worry, that's next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. According to Jared, giving back to the community is extremely important if you are wealthy enough to contribute. He is a strong supporter of certain causes, including same-sex marriage and animal rights. He has contributed a massive amount of money to the causes which are dear to him, as he has spent his money on Art of Elysium, the Barbara Davis Center for Children with Diabetes, the Nature Conservatory, Habitat for Humanity, Aid Still Required, the 2010 Haiti Earthquake Fund, and Worldwide Fund for Nature. Now that's what a millionaire with a golden heart would do. The actor is a fan of Gucci loafers. While he was on set for an unusual shoot, he said that it was difficult for him to walk or dance in regular loafers, so he tried on the amazing Gucci loafers and felt invincible. The actor says he had to learn a different way of walking, talking, dancing, and singing. I just have a lot of respect for Paolo Gucci, and I feel very grateful that I had a chance to step into the Gucci loafers. Jared Leto is one of Hollywood's greatest mysteries. His career shows the amount of progress he has made over time, and so does his net worth. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the millionaire lifestyle of Jared Leto? And which famous purchase of his did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.